Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I want to show you how to combine animations in CapCut. In other words, I want to show you how to add more than one animation in CapCut. So here I've already added a photo into my CapCut editor page, and if you want to add animations, you can just click on the photo or video and you'll find animations. So here I'm going to add my first animation. Click on animation and I'm going to just choose combo, and I'm going to use the slide and wave like this, and I'm going to click on a check icon. And next, to add another animation, you need to export the first animation. Okay, so it's now exporting, and now I'm going to click on new project and choose the video that so this is the photo with animation that I've added before. I'm going to add it. Okay, so here is the previous project. So I'm going to add another animation. So click on the video and click animation. For now I'm going to choose the in animation, and I'm going to just choose the shake animation, this one's right here, and I'm going to set the duration into 1.5 seconds like this, and I'm going to click on a check icon and let's see the result. Okay, so you can see now there are two animation in one video like this. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how we can combine animation in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.